Hi, this is Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and I'm going to demonstrate how to get started in Unit 2 in our CSIT125 Word class. After you log into Blackboard, click to the Unit Assignments page and then click into Unit 2. Take note that Unit 2 is due by midnight on February 16th, 2017. Click into the unit and you'll see the overview page, which tells you, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, it tells you what skills are covered in this unit, what you're going to learn, and a summary of the different things you're going to be doing in Unit 2. Please take note there is no discussion to complete in this unit, so you don't have to click into the discussion forum in Blackboard at all. Also, take note that the project you're going to do here is not done in SimNet. This project is done outside of SimNet. The instructions are going to be here in the assignment instructions link. The first thing you're going to do is read Chapter 2, which is entitled Formatting and Customizing Documents. You can read Chapter 2 in the physical book if you have one, or you can just log into SimNet and read the chapter there in SimNet. In addition to the chapter, I've created this illustrated guide on how to understand and use section breaks, which is an important part of Unit 2. When you click this link, the document will open up. This is not a video. You open this up and it has illustrated steps and explanations on what section breaks are and how you use them. Keep going down the page and it talks about an optional SimNet activity. Basically, this is going through the chapter. If you read the chapter in SimNet, you'll have the opportunity to click on these colorful buttons, Show Me, Guide Me, or Let Me Try. And these are those interactive tutorials that you can do to help you practice and learn the skills in the chapter. These are not graded or scored, and you can use them as often as you like. The same thing goes for the pause and practice exercises as you're reading the chapter. I do recommend that you do them because they help you learn the skills, but you don't have to save them or turn them in. Keep scrolling down the page, and there are two different videos I created for you to help you understand some of the things in Unit 2. One video shows how to work with different tabs. You know, when you press the tab key on your keyboard, it indents a certain number of spaces. This shows you how to create tabs and work with them. And this other video shows you how to create hyperlinks to the internet in a Word document. And you can do a hyperlink, put one onto text, words, a whole paragraph of text, or just one word, or even a picture. Then below that, it explains how to do the project. The project requires that you use the textbook, not SimNet, not a project in SimNet, but the actual textbook or the online version of the textbook. At the end of Chapter 2, there is an independent project steps called Independent Project 2-6. It tells you the page numbers to look at to find the project, and that's where you will find the steps and follow those steps to do the project. It's going to require that you use this file, this Word document. This is a student data file that I've prepared for you. It's here for you. Just click this link and it will open up the Word file that you're going to use in the project. And you're going to have to save this file with a slightly different name. It will tell you what to do. The instructions will tell you what to do in the textbook. Note the following advice. When you get to step 9, you might have to do it twice. Sometimes it doesn't always work. So these are just instructions to kind of help you be successful with this project. If you want to see what the final document is supposed to look like when you're done with your project, then you can click this little picture here, this little cartoon of a document. It will show you what your project should look like when it's finished. When it's finished, you're going to submit it right here in Blackboard. This explains here how to turn in your work, and down below that is a reminder to take the chapter quiz in Blackboard. It's the end of Chapter 2 quiz. Scrolling back up, Again, to get to the pages that you need, you can click in the table of contents over here, you can click these little buttons here, or you can click them over here on the right. To turn in your assignment, you're going to click here, Turn in Assignment, when you're all finished with the project and ready to turn it in. And this page will tell you when it's due by and how many points it's worth. What you're going to do is go down here and where it says Attach File, you're going to click this button, Browse My Computer, and navigate to the place on your computer where you saved your work and locate it there and then upload it here to this page. You don't have to type anything, you don't have to write anything where it says Write Submission, you don't have to do that. But if you want to tell me something or ask me something, you can type in here in this comment box. But when you're all done and you're ready to submit everything, just click this blue and white Submit button in the lower right corner. If you have any questions about Unit 2 at all, please email me as soon as you can and I will respond as quickly as I can. Thank you for watching.